How to make money fast in Hayday. First, weeding. Plant and harvest wheat every 2 minutes to collect rare items like expansion materials, planks, nails, and axes, which sell for thousands of coins. Sell excess wheat or corn in your roadside shop for fast but low income to clear silo space. Second, leverage your roadside shop. Always stock your shop with finished goods or rare items at the maximum allowed price. Advertise every 5 minutes to attract buyers. Finished goods sell better than raw materials or truck boat orders. Third, hire Tom for arbitrage. From level 14, you can send Tom every 2 hours to purchase discounted goods, especially high level items like cherry popsicles, which you can sell for profit. Fourth, prioritize high value crafting. Keep production machines running with high return goods like pancakes, bread, muffins, butter popcorn, bacon, and eggs, especially while offline. And fifth, wait for coin events. During double coin events, fill your shop with premium items, for example, blankets and bouquets, and fulfill boat and truck orders only during these periods to maximize earnings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.